My car will not start. The battery, super dead. And I do have jumper cables in here, but I don't have another car to jump it with. So I'm gonna try out the VTOMAN jump starter pack and air compressor, see if I can start my Miata. This is supposed to be pretty easy to set up. So I'm just gonna connect the jumper cables to the side of the pack here. You can see that it's two different shapes, so you can't mess that part up. Plug it in, and then you have the black and the red, so the positive and the negative. Just connect that to the battery. Okay, and then we have red and black, so I'm gonna go positive first. And just connect that here, negative. Okay, you can see it automatically turned on because it detected it's connected to a battery. You can see it says correct. Hopefully you guys can see that flashing light that says correct. So that means I hooked it up properly. And now I'm gonna go try to start my car. As you can hear, it didn't want to start up right there. So what I'm gonna do is click the boost button. Now it's solid green. Oh, popped it off. Place this back on. Just gonna move that for safety. And there we go. Gave it a little boost, made sure it's connected properly, and it started right up. I'm going to do the reverse order, so take off the black, take off the red, and then I can disconnect the cables from the unit and put this back in my trunk.